Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Madison. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located close to downtown, the Comfort Inn Hotel is 2 miles from Hanover College and Clifty Falls State Park. The hotel is also close to the Madison Fudge Factory, Lanier Mansion State Historic Site and the Indiana Veterans Memorial Cemetery. The city of Madison is located in Jefferson County and sits along the Ohio River. Find tons of unique items and one-of-a-kind antiques at many shops located around the city. A variety of golf courses, entertainment venues, restaurants and cocktail lounges can be found in the surrounding area. Guests will enjoy amenities and features like free wireless high-speed internet access, free local calls and free fresh baked cookies at check-in. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. Relax after a busy day in our indoor heated pool and sauna. During the summer you can enjoy our sundak. Access to copy and fax services is offered. All guest rooms come equipped with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, curved shower rods, down pillows, irons, ironing boards, hair dryers, safes and cable television. In addition, some rooms have wet bars, sofa sleepers and whirlpool bathtubs. Laundry facilities and a newsstand are located on the premises. We have plenty of well-lit parking for cars, trucks and buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.